Guys, so I'm trying my hand at the launch control, and best time I was able to get was 4.8, and this is on 22-inch wheels in the Scatpack. So I'm just on this back road here. I'm gonna wait till some of this traffic clear off. But as you can see there, I was able to get 4.8, and I was going on an uphill climb with this 5.4. But the launch control actually works. I think a lot of people are doing it wrong. A lot of people just aren't following the instructions on how to do launch control, because it's very simple, man. It tells you exactly what to do. So when you press the button, I'll turn my hazards on here so I can stop for a second. Alright, so to activate the launch control, you just hold down this button here, right here, and it'll tell you over here to go full throttle. The wheels need to be straight, and you hold down full throttle, it locks, release the brake. And that is how you do launch control. Wow, that time wasn't that great, but I got my best is a 4.8 on these 22s, and I think that's actually pretty good. But let's do it again. So you just hold down here. It's ready. You press full throttle. It'll get in place. If I get some traction, it's over. But that is how you do launch control. That is how you do it. But with no traction, you cannot get a good time. It's just not possible. There you have it. Launch control.